How to sell crypto on Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Binance. Now if you have any crypto that you're wishing to sell on Binance for cash, then it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Binance wallet. You should get an fees like this. Now in my case, I haven't verified and I haven't purchased any crypto here, but I'll just be guiding it through. You can simply tap and open up the detail page of the crypto that you're wishing to sell, that you own and that you wish to sell. You'll find the sell option at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can tap on sell and you can enter in the amount and such, and go ahead and tap on sell and you'll be able to sell. You'll be able to place the order as well. So this way you can sell crypto on the Binance. Now if you haven't bought one, you can simply select the buy option instead of the sell option that you'll get there, so you'll be able to buy it as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.